So Copilot now has a really good new and improved search feature. Now, this isn't just a Copilot only search feature, as well as being able to search for your past chats and conversations. You can search for literally anything throughout your organization. So whether it's emails, people, something from a Teams meeting, OneDrive, obviously, any kind of like file content, any content whatsoever, you can now use this new powerful search. So let's check it out and see how it works. So just go to the sidebar here, and it's the second option down. So we click on search, and you'll immediately see we can now find content across your organization. But before we actually do a search, you want to make sure that you've got the try the new Copilot search toggle switched on there. Then, as you see, you can search for a file, person, or content, even via keywords. So if I just start typing the word ChatGPT, for example, you'll see that lots of relevant files come up, and I can easily link to those just by hovering over a link icon here and clicking copy link. But that's not all. You can filter by SharePoint sites, by email, by calendar, Teams, people, or other websites. And down below here, I can get recent documents. So these are documents that I've recently worked on. You can scroll through these. So if you want to dive back in, you can see that that is pretty easy to do. So if we wanted to work with these documents, you've now got handy AI prompt suggestions. So we can ask Copilot, we can suggest alternative titles, and we've got another two more here: draft and introduction, help me improve this file. So real nice time-saving features. Now if we select any of these, then it basically pops open the main chat window, but directly puts the prompt and the file name in there, and it's already starting to work and carry out that. So super quick, nice, smart way of working there. But let's go back to the search, and we will now look at the glance cards. So new glance cards in this area here. So if I just hover over this AI prompting best practice over, you'll see we get a nice little preview picture here and an instant summary. So super quick, really handy, and this applies to any of the documents in this area, any of the files at all. So they all support glance cards in this area now. As well as that, you've got the AI prompts, just like we had for the recent document. So again, time saving. We've also got filters here, categorization, where we've got recent, shared, or favorites, and you can also filter by type of document as well. So you can see we've got Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc., and you've got your Copilot chats if you want to search through those. But you don't have to actually go into the fully fledged search feature. If you just want to search for chats, there is a little icon off the conversations here. So if you've got chats there, and you can just click on that if you just wanted to search your chat. So all in all, a really improved search facility that works across your whole organization. Got some nice powerful AI features, and it's now located in Copilot.